Now we have sine of the tan squared of x. Okay, so f prime of x equals the derivative of the sine is the cosine. This is the cosine of the tangent squared of x. Actually, you know what? Let me rewrite this again until you guys get comfortable with this idea. So let me rewrite f of x equals the sine of the tangent of x squared. Okay. Three functions. I have the sine function, I have the tan function, and I have the squared function. So sine function, tan function, squared function. Three functions, three terms. So f prime of x equals the derivative of sine is cosine. I leave what's inside alone. The tan of x squared. Now I multiply by the derivative of what's inside. The tan of x squared is equal to the 2 times the tangent of x to the 1 power times the derivative of tangent x, which is secant squared x. So my final answer, if I were to put it together, I don't know, I can leave it like this. I can bring the 2 to front, I guess. 2 times the cosine of tan squared x times tan x times secant squared x. I hope that makes sense. And this last one, at least for this particular lesson. So here we have a product rule, and we're going to have chain rule here and chain rule here. So f prime of x is equal to the derivative of this times this. Well, the derivative of this is 4 times x squared minus 2 cubed times the derivative of what's inside times 2x times this, which is 5x squared minus 2x minus 2 to the 8th power, plus the derivative of this, which is 8 times 5x squared minus 2x minus 2 to the 7th power times, we're still taking the derivative of this, times the derivative of what's inside, which is 10x minus 2 times this, x squared minus 2 to the 4th. The derivative of this is, so we have two functions, the outer function, the inner function. There are two terms. The derivative of this times this, plus the derivative of this, which is two terms, times this. There you go. You can stop there. You don't really need to simplify this. It's going to be too complex to simplify. So that is all. That is the chain rule. Don't worry about this. The chain rule is very, very important. So in the next lesson, we're actually going to be continuing our example problems for the chain rule. Thank you so much for joining us here at Educator.com. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.